Take a look at this video. This entire epoxy table renovation video was created using only free AI tools. No expensive software, no monthly subscriptions, and nothing paid at all. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process I used so you can create videos like this step by step using completely free tools. But before we jump into the process, let me show you something interesting. Take a look at this channel. They've uploaded only around 33 videos, yet they've already built an audience of more than 130,000 subscribers. That kind of growth is honestly impressive, and the crazy part is the performance. Many of these videos get millions of views. Out of curiosity, I decided to check the channel's analytics on Social Blade, and the estimated monthly earnings were somewhere between $36,000 and $500,000. When I saw that range, I was honestly shocked. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same thing. Let's start with the first step. The first thing you need is a prompt document that will guide the entire process. If you want access to it, simply comment the word prompt below the video, and I'll share the link with you. Once you open the document, copy the prompt from the first section up to task 1. After that, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will create multiple video ideas based on the style of content we're making. From that list, your job is to pick the idea that you think has the highest chance of performing well. And if you're not sure which one to choose, you can simply ask the chatbot to recommend the best option from the list. Now go back to the document and copy the entire prompt under task 2. Then return to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, copy the title you chose earlier, insert it between the brackets, and click Generate. Now ChatGPT will create detailed prompts for you. First, it will generate image prompts for each scene of the video. And after that, it will create animation prompts that we'll use later to bring those images to life. With those prompts ready, it's time to start creating the visuals. Open Google Flow and start a new project. Inside the project settings, choose the image generation option and set the format to portrait. Then set the output to 2 images and choose the model called Nano Banana 2. The best part is that image generation here doesn't cost any credits. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the first image prompt, paste it into Flow, and generate the image. Within a few seconds, you'll get 2 results. Simply choose the one that looks the best and download it. Next, upload that downloaded image as a reference image. Then copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT and generate the next scene. Once the second image is ready, download it and upload it again as the new reference image for the next step. Then copy the third prompt, generate the third image, and continue repeating this same process until all the images for your video are created. Once you have all your images ready, the next step is to animate them. Switch to the video option inside Google Flow. Select the ingredients option, keep the format set to portrait, and set the output to 1 clip. We keep the output at 1 because video generation uses credits, so generating a single clip each time helps conserve them. Now upload the first image as the reference image. Then copy the first animation prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow. Click Generate, and your animated clip will be created in just a few seconds. Next, upload the second image, paste the second animation prompt, and generate the next clip. Then repeat the same process for the remaining images until every scene has been turned into a short animated clip. The final step is simply combining everything into one video. For that, you can use any editing software you like. In this example, I'm using CapCut because it's simple and beginner-friendly. Import all the clips you generated and arrange them in the correct sequence. After placing them in order, slightly increase the scale of each clip so the VO watermark is hidden. Once that's done, export the video in high resolution, and your content is ready to upload to YouTube. And that's the entire process. If this video helped you in any way, it would really mean a lot if you support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. You can also check out some of the other videos on the channel if you're interested in learning more ways to create content using AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.